guys, what's up? It's your girls Twin Goddesses and I'm Alicia, and I am back with another wig for you all. This one actually comes from AFSisterWig. I've been seeing a lot of reviews from them and I've been wanting to try one of their units for so long, so I'm extremely excited to be able to show you guys this one. But anyways, I'll link all of their information down below in case you are interested. This is their loose wave 13x6 HD Swiss fake scalp lace front wig, y'all. Look at this baby right here. But check out that lace, okay? I've been loving HD laces lately, okay? But anyways, for those of you guys who are unsure what an HD lace wig is, pretty much that very first piece of lace is your normal typical brown lace. This one will be your transparent lace, and then the last one is the popular HD Swiss lace. So what I'm doing right here is adhering all of the samples on my arm so you guys can see what the melting looks like as well as what it looks like when it's not fully melted in. So as you guys can see, comparing all of the lace, that Swiss lace blends right into all complexions. So I highly recommend you to get a unit with that HD lace. It's gonna blend right into your skin no matter what your complexion is, all right? But anyways, guys, with this particular unit, this is their fake scalp wig. So what it is pretty much like a bald cap method that's built into the wig. So if you are a beginner, you don't have to go and do the bald cap or adhere your stocking cap down. It's already inside the wig, so you are pretty much ready to go, okay? But anyways, guys, I wanted to try this hair on so you guys can see how it comes directly out of the package without me doing anything to it. Yeah, I just pretty much took it out of the package and this is how it looks. As you guys can see, those knots are bleached. The hair is laid. It does have that center part. However, you can change the part in your unit. You guys going to see me do that later on. But first things first, like I do with all of my wigs, guys, I am a germaphobe, so no matter what, I'm going to wash the hair, but that is completely optional for you. You don't have to do this, all right? I do like to use my silicone mix shampoo as well as my silicone mix hair treatment. I particularly use these on my wigs because it adds like a film to the hair, which keeps the hair looking brand new no matter what, okay? So I like to use my silicone mix for that purpose, as well as my Denman brush to get those waves to pop. And that is the amount of shedding that I did get with this unit, all right? So after shampooing and conditioning the hair, this is how the hair looks on the mannequin head. I'm just going to go ahead and brush that hair backwards so you guys can see how the pre-plucked hairline looks. All right, so you can actually wear it as such, but I'm gonna go and put some baby hairs in my unit. I'm using some foaming wrap mousse just to pretty much mold the hair down, and I'm doing these baby hairs around the hairline. Of course, you can style your baby hairs the way you choose to style it. I just wanted to do something simple. However, I did change it later on in the video. I opted for a side part, so I did change up my baby hairs later on, right? Now for getting those waves to pop, I just use a little bit of my Mizani Miracle leave-in conditioner as well as my Denman brush. Doing this allows the hair to pretty much clump. However, I do recommend you guys allowing this to dry laying down so that those waves will form better, okay? So I actually have to go back and do that later. As far as installing my unit, I do use like an alcohol wipe to take that makeup off, because if you're going to melt your wig down, you don't want any makeup on your skin or any like oils in your hair, because it will be like the death of your wig, okay? But anyways, guys, I'm using my Got2b freeze spray. Honestly, y'all, I never really adhere my wigs down. I have really sensitive skin, so I don't do this normally, but I wanted to do this for this particular unit as per requested by the company. However, y'all know me, I like to do my glueless method, but I am using my Got2b freeze spray as well as the glue, and just applying the unit. And as you guys can see, once that lace hits the tackiness of the spray as well as the glue, it's going to melt on down, okay? now I'm going to use my Extreme Wet Line Gel. I like to use gel instead of foaming wrap mousse to style baby hairs when it's on my head. However, you can use mousse, okay? Now, the way I did style the baby hairs, it's looking kind of crazy. I mean, when I was doing it, it was really, really, really cute. But now I'm looking at it, I'm like, what was I thinking? Like, that's kind of weird. So, y'all, please charge it to my head, not my heart, okay? I don't want to see anybody coming for me, all right? I thought it was cute, but it's looking a little crazy. But yeah. But y'all, look at how that lace blends right into my skin. And look at that scalp. I mean, wow. I think my only complaint about the scalp would be the grids. There's nothing I can do to hide those grids because it does have that fake scalp. However, you know, it takes away time, okay? So you don't have to do all that extra work. It's already done for you. All right, but anyways, guys, here is some views of the hair. Again, it's 24 inches long. I believe this is a 200% density. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of this unit. Again, AFSisterWig, all the information down below. I will catch you guys later. Bye, guys.